I want to talk to you.
Paano na may apron na?
Baon na may apron!
That was the day that I promised I'd never sing a song that does not exist. Darling, you are the only exception. You are baon na may apron. You
That's my girl. That's my girl. Oh, that's my homegirl. That's my homegirl. Okay na, tapos na. Panalo na kami.
Ay, hindi ba? Hindi kami papayag. Showdown.
Oops, pero bago yan, guys. Siyempre, gamitin natin itong time na to para mag-plug ng ating album. Carlo! Yeah! Saan galing yan, ha? Siyempre, ang album namin is out pa rin sa lahat ng record bars nationwide.
皆さん、アルバムを買ってくれてありがとうございます。Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nakabili.
Okay! Okay, guys! Knock, knock!
Men, huwag kang di ito mag-isa.
Hey! Little flip celebrate! Oh, yeah. Come on now!
Break it down, Caleb. Let's do this.
I got bills to pay, I got moves to make, but when my planes are down, pick me up out here, don't be late. 5, 6, 7, 8, I can call you my Eddie boy. You can call me your baby girl.
Hindi ng boses.
Ano to panggalingan to? Itan natin yung
Parang ganun.
Improvisation.
Go.
Improvisation.
Ang tawag doon?
Impromptu.
Yung biglaan na lang. Hirap na yun.
Yan.
What is your name, lady?
Agot.
Agon.
I love the name. You.
Sunshine.
Sunshine.
And you? Hansa.
Mark.
Agot. Sunshine. Mark. You. Michael. Knock.
Who are you?
Agot. Sunshine. Mark. Michael.
Agot. Sunshine. Mark.
Michael.
Teka,
Ayaw mo yan, ha? Yung music, hindi alam impromptu to eh. Paano yung music?
Naisip ko nga eh.
Oh.
Temptation.
Oh.
Bago, ha?
Ano?
Gano'n ka lang. Gano'n si Gina, ano eh.
I got sunshine on a cloudy day.
Yeah! Okay na, maganda yan.
When I see you outside, it's a matter of man.
Yeah.
I guess you say Mark can make me feel this way, Michael.
Yeah, boy.
Wala yan. Yun na yun. Impromptu yan.
Rocker talaga nila.
Hey. Tapatan nyo. Sige.
Ang Thunders naman ang mga knock-knock na yun.
Ay.
Thunders. Tanda.
Papaluin ko na itong batang to.
Ayoko niyan.
Papaluin ko itong batang to.
What do you mean by
Parang ganun din
Thunders?
tsura niya.
Panggurang po.
Caleb. Tsaka yan, di ba yung mga si AJ.
Say that to me. I'm your tito. Diyos ko, ganun na naman talaga ako eh. Bakit ba?
Okay. Sige.
Knock, knock.
Oh,
Jabbar.
Music, please.
Hey! Yeah, we are XLR8. Hey!
Ba't parang guess na may ako?
We're talking and I think she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink back, and then I think that we need a bad time in love. I like your boss and the
Ganda ng boses.
Wait a minute!
Meron pa. Ano?
Knock, knock!
Who you?
I'm a friend.
I'm a friend who? Wow.
I'm a friend to fly.
Oh.
And I don't know why.
Ang gwapo.
I'm tired of
Tapos
the people who... Knock, knock!
Meron pa? Dalawa pa?
Siyempre, alam niyo naman, train parts ko, dalawa kayo eh. Baka sabihin niyo.
excuse me, pwede ka rin bilisan kasi medyo inaantok na kami.
Come on.
Babawi lang. Sige, mag-knock muna kayo.
Si
Pero ito,
MJ.
knock, knock!
Who you?
Ube!
Ube. Who?
Ube!
Nagpo-vocalizing pa.
Oh, baby, baby, baby.
Yeah, boy. Gwapo niya.
Yeah, take it back.
Tanga.